Get it away. It's got a piece of turd on a string. It does, and the turd wiggles.
Ah! Tiger, you retard. Oh, I'm a haunted turd. No.
I might have better luck.
Shut up. Give me the camera.
Ooh.
Give me the camera.
Well, I can do it.
Give me the camera.
Okay, do the catch. That poor cat. You're gonna break the line.
No, you really won't.
Yeah, cause
Put the video on YouTube. Cat attacks floating turd.
well, whoever made that turd, I want to know what they ate because it's like pure orange. Must have had like a bunch of Cheetos or something.
Woo!
Braxton got contacts today.
Yeah, this is awesome. Whoa. Oh, can't touch this. Oh.
Braxton, hold the camera. Break it down.
See that cat?
Yeah.
Look what it did to me. I hate that cat. It went from here to here, and it got my finger in here.
It's devil.
I don't know if it's coming back, Braxton.
That's what I mean.
Here, give me the turd.
Eat the turd or I'll just use you.
It is your fate.
Like that one movie, they just slow his kung fu because he was so fast.
We should make a kung fu movie with your cat.
There's a movie where they like on this guy's kung fu was so fast, they just slowed it down.
Was it Chuck Norris?
No. Why doesn't everyone make fun of Chuck Norris? It's funny though.
Chuck Norris is so cool.
Every time he talks, Chuck Norris puts the next music in his face.
What? And on air, he's like Barry Sanders because he was like, dude, in the yearbook his hair was all flat.
I don't know. So, Tom's hair looks so weird.
He's actually smiling.
I don't know. Rah! Woo! Woo!
Don't distract the viewers. The line's too long. Rawr! Must defend the princess.
Okay, when is this video gonna be over?
I don't know.
I only got 39 minutes left of the video.
Here, open the door.
It is open.
Open the door more. Do what I say, because I know where you live.
No way. We're at my house.
Dude, the string isn't even invisible.
Sort of.
No, it's not. It's pure brown. Here, bring the camera over here. YouTube, do you think that's invisible string?
Yes.
I bet you it's not. Shut up, Braxton.
It blends into the background.
Nobody cares. You see that? Go get it. That was useless. Get out of here. Go. How do you get him out of here?